Hello, my nieces and nephews. Happy Saturday to you, and welcome to Auntie No's Kitchen. And for those of you that have come back to hang out with me, welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. And for those of you that are just running on through, I hope you stick around because there are a lot of great things that comes out of this kitchen. But just know everything that comes out of here comes with love. Today is a laid-back Saturday. I had doctor's appointments and other things that had to be taken care of. So after they pull and tug and all this other foolishness, I don't want to do anything. Okay, and I have my little great nephew with me today. He's 5. That's my little buddy, and he knows when he comes to Auntie's house, he gets popcorn and all the ice cream, and we're gonna make cookies later on, using a box, of course. So we're just gonna have a really good time, me and my little buddy today. But he knows he loves popcorn. He loves Auntie's popcorn. So I'm going to show you exactly what it is I do this popcorn. Maybe it's the ambiance and the experience of the popcorn that he thinks Auntie's popcorn is so delicious. Well, it is. Okay. All right. Hold on, my nieces and nephews, and I'll show you what I'm doing. And you can do this on top of the stove, or you can use it in a popper, not an air popper, but a standard popper, a regular popper that you have to use a little bit of oil. Okay, hold on 1 second and I'll be back with you. Okay, well, you're gonna need some popcorn. Okay, this is Orville Redenbacher's white corn. My actual go-to popcorn is that Pop Secret Jumbo Pop, but they didn't have any, and plus this was BOGO because I haven't seen Publix do my Pop Secret BOGO in a while. I don't know what their problem is. Do I need to pour a corporate or something? Because what's the issue? What's going on with that? And I'm using the Colonel seasoning, movie theater butter, oil. I don't like the Orville Redenbacher butter oil. I don't like that. So I like this. And the almighty secret, what the movie theaters put on their popcorn to get you to walk in there smelling all that goodness and tasting all that goodness, and you think that's the only place you can get, oh, I just love going to the movies because they have the best popcorn. This is it. It's called Flavor Called Seasoning Salt. That's all it is. This is it. And let me tell you how I found out about this, because I was in the movie theater and getting ready to buy that $10.50 bucket of large popcorn for me and baby girl years ago when she was still young. Well, she still is young. She's just 20. But I mean, like, kid young. And I saw this little baby carton. I saw this carton. So all I do is order it, put it in one of my handy dandy little salt shakers. And what I do, I'm going to turn my popper on. This is the nostalgia popper. You can use this as a bowl as well, but I'm not gonna give baby nephew this bowl. No. So what I do, I go ahead and sprinkle the salt on here. You can put it on afterwards, Ooh, see that infrared? It gets hot really, really quick, my friends, my nieces and nephews. And it comes with this measuring cup. I've never used the measuring cup. Like I said, I like the original yellow popcorn, but this will do. And that's one thing I miss. I do miss popcorn. Now you just put this baby on and let it do its job. Okay? So again, you just need your nice little popper, or you can do it on the stove. But when you do it on the stove, you have to watch that heat now, because the difference between a stove and a popper, that heat element from a stove does tend to pop quicker. And you don't want to burn your kernels, so you need to cook it on low to medium heat. And how you know it's done, whether using this or stove top, is when you start getting 2 to 3 seconds between your pops. That's when you know your popcorn is done. It's not going to pop any further. Not 5 seconds, pop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, pop. No. When you hear pop, 1, 2, pop, it's done. So remove it from the heat. So I'm gonna let this. Since this is going to be a very, very short video, I'm going to just let you guys see how. See, it's starting to heat up now. The internal temperature is already rising. So like I said, I just put these items away and do a little cleanup. Go back in this pantry here. He is something else. He said, Auntie, you have a code on your TV. I said, a code? Yeah. You have password code on your TV. I was like, you know what? You kids today are something else. They are actually something else. You know. So as you can see, it's starting to pop, poppity pop pop. And sooner or later, and this doesn't take long, my friends. That's why I said I didn't pause it, because this is a very short video. And let me get my good buddy a bowl for himself. And he has a bowl that I have here for him. And I already have this little juice over there. Get his own little juice cup and everything. So I have his little bowl here. See, I got his own little special bowl. You know, you can give him a Dollar Tree. They come two to a pack, $1.25. They need to stop calling it the Dollar Tree. Just gonna call it $1.25 and more. Cause those quarters add up. You can get 5 items for $5. Now you get 4 items for $5. Hey, inflation hitting everybody. The thing about inflation, the price is going up, but you got people who paychecks ain't. You know? It smells so good. I can't eat popcorn anymore, but the smell of it just makes me want to actually just put it in my mouth and just suck on it, but I digress and just leave things alone. Just leave things alone. It is what it is. And that's why I like Pop Secret Jumbo, because it's like every kernel pops with that brand. I'm not a fan of Orville Redenbacher. I just don't like them too much. But this was what they had, and I know my good buddy was coming, and he loves his popcorn. Auntie always pops some popcorn. And I usually have the little popcorn bags, but I don't. Oh, but I do have his little cups. Okay, you see it's all done now. So what I'm going to do, only thing I have to do is slide this bag. This stays cool, guys. This right here stays cool, so you don't have to worry about burning your hands. And all I do is flip this over. I unplug this. And voila, here it is. And I throw this over here for a little housekeeping. I could use those little popcorn cups that I have, but I don't feel like doing all that either. Throw him, because I usually have him popcorn bags and things like that. Now you can, you know, for seasoned grown folks and teenagers want to taste that salt flavor or whatever, but he's 5. And all that salt is not good for him. So I'm going to get a glove and put his popcorn. Listen to him down there making that unnecessary noise. But when your 5 all noise is necessary, right? I don't have grandchildren. I call him my fill in the blank grandchild. This is my sister's grandbaby. But I said, hey, she has enough to share. Her son and his wife have 4 daughters, and her daughter and her husband have 4 boys. So she's got enough. She can share this one. And he told me he wants to go to Six Flags. He wants to go ride roller coaster. I said, it's okay. When you come back the next time, Auntie's going to take you to Six Flags. My nieces and nephews, I love spoiling my nieces and nephews. But, so, this is it. He'll come back and want the rest of this. But for now, he'll just stick with this. And to keep that from wilding out on me, you know, so Put that to the side. I don't have to worry about pests because I don't have any. You can exterminate your own house. You don't have to pay $200, $300, $400. Now, I'm gonna show you guys what my husband uses, and he takes care of the outside house and everything because I have trees back there. Get the snake poison down. I've never seen a snake since we've been in this house, and we've been in this house for a little while. Since 2014, never seen a snake and don't plan to. Even though I'm a country girl, I still see one. I'm running. I'm doing something. Okay. All right, my friends. Thank you for joining in and helping me pop my good little buddy popcorn. And I hope you can make some good old-fashioned popcorn, and you don't have to use that microwave stuff that you really don't know what's in it. You can use this. Make you some popcorn. Make you some fresh popcorn on the stove. You know, with the kiddos. If I had some snow cone syrup, I'd make them a snow cone with the maker. But he's fine with his orange juice and his popcorn. So until later, guys. Hold on, my friends. Okay, my nieces and nephews, I told you this would be a quick video, and I'm going to keep my word because Auntie word is her bond, okay? Until the next upload, go be you, but be great being you, and enjoy your Saturday. Do all you want to do. It's really, really hot out there. So hot, the dog wouldn't go out. You hear me? My little buddy wouldn't go out, but I made him go. But anyway, so again, hit that like button for you new people just strolling through. You can hit that like and subscribe button and hang around if you choose to. I'll talk to you guys later. Until the next upload. Bye.